Hello everyone, this is Vivian. I'll be explaining to you the 8th experiment in our database lab today. So first of all, let's look at the question. To develop an application for a company to manage its order and supply details using JDBC connectivity and do the following. So basically JDBC is a Java API which communicates with database systems supporting SQL. And you have a model for JDBC actually. First is to open a connection, create a statement object, execute the queries, and also include exception handling mechanism to handle errors. So let's take a look at the code for which we need for this question. So this is the code right here. So we have to put the code in a try-catch block. So in the try block we have to put class.forName oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle-driver. Then we have to create the connection con is equal to driver manager.getConnection jdbc :oracle :pin at the local host 1521:exe system Vivian. Okay, statement stmt is equal to con.create statement, and here we have to include all the functions such as the inserting, modify, delete, or search for the details of the product. So we have to use all these cases in a switch case statement. So in the first case is the code for inserting a value such as order ID, order date, and customer ID. And next we have to insert into, then we have to concatenate these values such as order ID and date and the customer ID, which I put as CID. And next, execute update. In the bracket, you have to put SQL. Break the statement. Then the next case is for modifying a value. So this is the modifying code. So in the print statement, we have to put to update what? Order date, customer ID, order ID. Then we have to another print statement, update to. Then the value you enter and the condition. And we have to concatenate all these values. Set plus col value where. Next you have to statement.execute update SQL1. This is for updating. Then you break it, and we'll move on to the next case, which is for deleting a value. So here's the code for deleting a value, and another output print statement. We have to put the condition. And string SQL2, we have to put delete from order1 and concatenate where plus con is the condition, statement.execute update, in the bracket you give SQL2. And then you break the case. Moving on to the next case is for searching a value. String SQL is equal to select s_id.s name, gender, p_id from supplier. And result set rs is equal to statement.execute query bracket SQL. Then we have to enter the product ID, and we give a while loop over here, and we use if condition. PID is equal to rs.getInt product ID, and then int ID is equal to rs.getInt s_id. Then string name, string s name is equal to rs.get string s_name, and we have to print out all the details which we enter, such as supply ID, supply name, gender, and product ID. Break, and in the switch case default, if there's no correct case selected, we have to give the default as wrong option. Then you have to close the connection, stmt.close bracket, open bracket, close bracket, and con.close. Here's where the connection is closed. And since we're using a try-catch block, in catch we have to put the catch the exception e system.out.println bracket e. And this is the output how you should get. Here are the different cases such as inserting, modifying, delete, search. So the output you want to insert a value, the order ID you enter, the date, and customer ID, and this is success. So this is the 8th experiment in database lab. Thank you.